Hi, I'm Alex from Cephable, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you all about Cephable's dictation feature. Dictation is the functionality that allows Cephable to type whatever you're speaking as you speak it. And there are two different ways to use dictation in Cephable, with a trigger phrase that's part of your control profile, and then with full dictation mode that allows you to just continue to type what you're speaking as you speak until you explicitly turn it off. I'll show you how to do both, as well as how to customize different trigger phrases. So let's go ahead and jump into Microsoft Word, but you can also use this type of dictation across any app on any platform that you're controlling with Cephable. So over here in Microsoft Word, with my Cephable voice controls running at the bottom, I can go ahead and resume voice controls, which allows me to do all sorts of things. I can bold text, I can write text, I can move the arrow keys with up, down, left, and right. But we're going to actually use the trigger phrase of type to then type whatever we say after that. So I'll go ahead and hit resume on voice controls and show you what that looks like. Type, hello everyone, how are you doing today? ? So as you can see, it typed out everything that I said. It even got the question mark at the end because I said it, but it's not typing anything now because I'm only using the trigger phrase of type, which I have to say first. Type, I'm using a trigger phrase to dictate this text. Now, let's use full dictation mode, which we can do in the voice controls by clicking on the icon that has the keyboard and the play button next to it. With this button on, I'll be actually typing whatever I say continuously until I click the button again to stop. This is using the full dictation feature, which means that it's going to type as long as I keep speaking, period. As I keep talking, it will just keep typing until I turn it off, and then I can go back to using voice controls and dictation at the same time. So now that I've paused it, I'm back into voice control mode so that it won't type what I'm saying. But now let's go back into the Cephable platform and change the trigger phrase that we use. So instead of having to say type, I can change it to something else. Over in Cephable, I can go ahead and edit a control profile and then go to the advanced options. In advanced options, you'll see a button for edit dictation phrases. This is where we can have all sorts of custom phrases like type, and I've gone ahead and added one for say as well. If you don't want to have dictation supported in a profile that you're using, all you have to do is remove both of these different dictation control phrases. You can also add as many as you want to. So now that we have both say and type, I can go back into Microsoft Word and try them both out. Say, isn't that neat ? Enter. Type, that is neat. Just like that, we've taught Cephable how to type for us, whether I want it to be continuous using full dictation mode, or I want to use it in specific scenarios while I'm still using voice controls. You can use dictation into any app. Cephable will use the keyboard to type whether it's in a Microsoft Word program, in a browser, in your email, or even in a video game chat. Bring dictation with you wherever you go. Be sure to check out our other tutorials on advanced voice controls and also how to customize control profiles and other aspects of the platform so that it can work best for you. Thanks.